Well, welcome back. We're going to be looking at doing the audio today, and when we do the audio, it's relatively simple. So we're going to do one of two things. So one of them is to make sure that everything is sort of well balanced. Hopefully, when you did these other audios, it's all the same. So we can kind of go ahead and do the audio gain, and I've set it to, in this case, 19.5 because of the mic I was using. Now we're going to look at this other two sets of audios. Now one of them I've already gone ahead and done a mute on it. The other one I just want to work on just briefly. I'm now going to go ahead and highlight all of these. I'm then going to go ahead and click on the audio. Now all of this audio is actually, and I'll just clear it, is actually all dialogue. So I'm just going to go put dialogue and just put a default. Now hopefully with all of this selected, let me just try that again. I'm able to go ahead and sort of fix it a little bit where possible. Now, I'm not going to be able to fix everything, but I can definitely fix a few things on it. Now, you can go ahead and actually have a play with some of these features. There is a little bit of a hum, depending on what sort of audio you are using. It's very distinctive, but we can sort of try things that will reduce it. Now, I would recommend to have a play of these sort of these settings. I would recommend try to turn off reverb because it does give you a bit of a strange sort of sound, especially for interviews. Definitely go ahead and I would make sure that the volume level is adequate. And the other one is this one here, which I actually should have talked about first, which was the loudness and auto match. Now I can press that and hopefully that will now have, and you'll see this has turned green. That has actually hopefully leveled out a lot of that sound. Now you'll just have to have a listen and playback and work out what you can and can't do with it. And I will just make small adjustments at a time and just have a play with some of the functions that are actually there. Great. So now that's actually done. The second part of the audio that we're going to work on is trying to go ahead and get some music. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go onto purpleplanet.com, and there's many different ones out there for sort of free, what's it called, Creative Commons or royalty-free music. You can go to Ben Sound, and there's a few ones online, especially on SoundCloud, and you can obviously have a look on YouTube. So we're going to just try to find something that will go ahead and create a certain theme for us. So I might just jump into emotional, and what I would like you to do, probably have a bit of a listen to some of the music, download the music that you actually like, and then we can kind of go from there. So we'll just put a pause and download whatever music you think is suitable, and we'll come back. Great, so hopefully now you've sort of chosen some audio. We're now going to go back into all panels again. We're going to import that music. So here I've got one already set up for music, so I'm just going to drop that in there. And you may notice that the music isn't going to go all the way to the end, depending on how long your project is. So I would recommend you go ahead and make some copies of it and then paste it, and that's fine. And then we can drag it back down into position, because I would like to see this go a majority of the actual track. So now what we do here is relatively simple. We then highlight all of the music, so I've just got this on a bit of repeat. I can then go on to doing the following. So I'll go ahead, I will select all this particular audio, which is actually also what's called dialogue. So I'm just going to put that as dialogue also. So let me just show you how to do that. Dialogue, beautiful. So now we have this level of this sort of audio track for dialogue. We have this audio track for dialogue. This last track is actually going to be for our music. So I'm going to tag that as just that, music. Now there are two things I want to try to do. The first thing I want to try to do is a thing called ducking. So ducking actually allows the music or whatever it is, whatever sound that you have, to go behind another sound and actually lower its sort of intensity. So I click on the ducking, I then put generate keyframes. Now you can go ahead and play around with this just so you're aware of what to do, but I'm kind of happy with the default at the moment. And I noticed that these wave files are actually quite large. So I know that I probably need to pull that down a little bit. And so from here, if I can play this back, you should hopefully have an effect where all the actual music is now ducking underneath all the different audio. And that is how you really simply go ahead and do the audio layers. And so what you can do, just go ahead and play with it so you're happy with the way that it's actually ducking through. I've gone ahead and maybe adjusted it a bit too much, so I'll just go ahead and fix that up nice and quickly. And that's essentially how you do some of the audio clips and the balancing of them very quickly in Premiere Pro. Thank you very much.